Okay, so it has been drying now, so we will just paint some lines here to make it more visible, like what's what. Let's see, and here we have a line. And here. And this was made with, primary colors, but you can use other colors, of course, to experiment. And the colors are overlapping here, but we just make it approximate where the line should be. So there you go. I also add one more thing actually. So I add some gray around here. And then we will activate that too. So there's some kind of border. Alright, and we activate it. Oops. So this is a very simple color triangle with the primary colors and secondary colors, so on. And I think it's beautiful, and it's very easy to do, and it's a easy trick to experiment and also exercise in mixing colors. And in Swedish, färgtriangel. Alright.